In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I turned just a few dollars into one of my biggest sales ever on eBay. But first, let's jump into some thrifting. So starting off hot, I found not one, but two vintage Russell Athletic sweaters. One was $6 and the other was priced at $4, and I should be able to get around $25 a piece for them. They were both actually made in the USA. Before we jump any further in the video, this is the Resell My Way to AK series where I've been trying to pay off my $8,000 worth of student loans, and we're currently at $2,300. So moving on, I found this women's Woolrich sweater for only $4, so a decent price. Should be able to get around $20-25. I've been picking up Woolrich recently. After that, I found a couple of printer inks. These were priced at $5, but they were pretty generic, not really worth reselling. An open canning ain't not going to sell that. But then I found this, brand new. It's a pretty big box, $4. Should be able to get around $30 to $40 plus shipping on eBay. After this, I found these kids Jordans. These were priced at only $3 or $3.50. It was weird because there was a price inside and their price outside of the box. But these are in pretty decent shape, and I should be able to get around $30 to $40 plus shipping. And then after that, I found a couple pairs of Doc Martens. These are actually like in pristine condition. Take a look at how nice these are. These were only $6. And then after that, I saw on the floor, I was like, oh, look, another pair of Doc Martens. These are actually really, really nice as well. Definitely not as in good condition. The other ones are like new. These are going to be like, you know, pre-owned, decent condition, couple scuffs, but should still be able to get around like, I don't know, maybe $30 plus shipping on eBay. I honestly have no idea, so that's just a guesstimation. Let's dive back into the clothing. So I found an Yves Saint Laurent dress shirt. So this was actually only priced at $4, and I should be able to get around $20 to $30 on eBay for this. I honestly thought I'd be able to get a little bit more because it is designer, but nonetheless, still good profits. Sticking on the designer theme, look at this, Burberry London, another dress shirt. I'm thinking same thing, maybe $20, $30 for this plus shipping. So definitely some solid pickups on the dress shirts. This isn't stuff that I usually like, only $4 on this, but you know what? I had to pick it up, scoop it up. Now guys, this is where this video gets interesting. So I found this vintage Echo Unlimited t-shirt made in the USA on a Fruit of the Loom tag, and it is honestly really, really sweet. It was only priced at $4, and take a look at the back, sweet design. Now here's the backstory as to why this t-shirt could be worth so much money. So in 1996, the owner of the brand, Milikovsky, legally changed his name to Echo. He had intended to use the name Echo, a name he was known by at home, but since he wanted to build a brand out of the name and the name Echo was already taken, he settled on the alternate spelling. This honestly could be one of the original printed t-shirts, and some of the vintage Echo Unlimited t-shirts are selling for a lot of money on eBay. So just stay tuned because it actually did already sell. Just wait until the end of the video and I'll reveal the price. I almost forgot to tell you guys how much I spent at that thrift store. So I only spent $43 on all that stuff, and let's go ahead and subtract that from the current total that we're at so far. So my girlfriend Emma doesn't want her old desk anymore in her room, so I'm going to actually go ahead and snatch it for the storage unit, and I'm going to go ahead and try to put it in that corner. So this is the before, and this is the after. And there we go. So that actually didn't take me too long. It only took me like 5 minutes. So I just basically moved some of the bins out of the way. I tucked some of the boxes of shipping supplies, and then any extra stuff that I have down there, like guitars for Guitar Hero and stuff. Put this little thing that was down here up here, and then I put all the bubble wrap, shipping supplies, and then just basically the same thing, but it just looks so much nicer in here. Look at how much more room. The only problem is I couldn't tuck away this underneath, so this is just my old bike rack that I've been selling on OfferUp and Marketplace, so hopefully this sells soon so I don't have to worry about going through this in the unit, but it does look pretty nice here, and I think everything is going to be a lot easier to grab. You know, just keep nicely stored, because I like being able to actually walk into my storage unit. When you actually have stuff organized, it's really nice, because then you can find stuff a lot easier. So definitely like that. So this is everything that we sold in the past couple of days in order from least to greatest, and you guys are not going to want to miss that last sale. Just hold up. So first of all, we sold this Dale Earnhardt DVD for $3 plus shipping. Picked that up at the bins for $1. Then we sold this VHS tape for $5.50 plus shipping. We picked that up at the bins also for $1. Picked this up for $1 as well. It's just like a Shark vacuum attachment. That's all for $6 plus shipping. Then we picked up this Canon ink, paid $4 for this at a local thrift store, and I sold it for $25 plus shipping. And then this is just awesome. Can't stop raving about it. Funny because I actually ran an Instagram poll and some of you guys told me not to pick this up. However, I decided to do it anyway. About a majority of you guys did tell me to pick it up, but you guys did not know the actual value of it. So I decided to listen to one of my good friends on Instagram. His name is Nothing New Thrift. So if you guys want to go ahead and give him a follow. And he was like, just shoot high. Like maybe list it for 150, 200 bucks. I listed at 200 bucks. This guy sent me an offer of 125 literally within 10 minutes, which got me thinking, did I list this too low? Honestly, I don't know, but I was like, all right, I'm just gonna let it sit. Same guy, 15 minutes later, bought it for full asking price, $200 plus shipping on top. Absolutely insane sale. I've never sold a t-shirt for this amount of money before. This is honestly my best t-shirt sale and one of my best sales ever, honestly. And I'm just so happy to have sold this and even found this, and Yeah, it's honestly insane, but I don't know. Maybe I did list it too low. Maybe I'm holding a piece of history and this could have sold for a lot more. I really don't know. The thing is, too, is the guy who bought the shirt is like an Echo collector because his profile picture on eBay is literally says Echo, E-C-H-O. So you guys can tell that he's already like probably a collector and knows a lot about this stuff. So maybe I did list it too low, but turning $4 into $200, that's just insane. That's literally, what is that? 50xing my money? That's insane. So we're now at the Salvation Army, and let's see if our luck continues. So I found this Real Madrid like tank top jersey kind of thing. It says David Beckham on the back, but unfortunately it was too stained and there's no comps, but I still feel like I should have picked it up, but honestly I'm not 100% sure. I also found this Gymshark tank top. These go for around $15 to $20 plus shipping on eBay. And then I also found this Greece soccer jersey. I'm so annoyed that it's stained because I would have loved to show my dad this because obviously we're Greek, but unfortunately I had to pass on this because it was just, you know, rough shape. So I only ended up picking up two things, this Gymshark tank top for $2 and it should sell for around 15, and then I picked up these pretty cool Vineyard Vines lobster pants size 32 by 32 for $8, and I think I should be able to get around 25 to 30. I only picked them up because they're in really good condition. So this is going to be some content that I've never made on my channel before, but this is the behind the scenes to all of my listings currently on just eBay alone. So when I'm looking at my eBay store, I currently have a total fixed price of $4,717.90 worth of fixed price listings. I have 161 different listings, but the quantity of my items is actually 216 because some of those are multi-quantity listings. So even though the value of all my items currently in the store is $4,717, when everything actually sells, let's just say that it's going to probably sell for like maybe $4,200 because I'm going to be accepting some offers, and some stuff won't even sell, honestly. That's just the realistic side of eBay. But if you guys look at my store, I sell VHS tapes, puzzles, hats, shoes, toys. I also sell clothing. I've been getting more into clothing recently. If you guys seen in their videos, I've been picking up clothing. DVDs. I try to sell DVDs on eBay when I can, but for the most part nowadays they're actually going into Amazon. It's just a lot easier and they sell for a lot more money on there. Video games I try to sell on eBay because even though some games sell for more money on Amazon, I like getting those quicker sales, and plus on Amazon buyers are really picky, so stuff has to be in really good condition, honestly. So as you guys can see, I sell a little bit of everything in my store, and that's just because of what I'm actually available to find. In thrift stores, it's become very rough near me nowadays, so honestly it hasn't been the easiest. So I've been trying to pick up other areas like men's clothing, vintage tees. Like in this video, you guys already saw that I sold that vintage t-shirt for $200. Last week at the Salvation Army, I picked up this Hanes Beefy tee, and it's from like this Hawaiian restaurant or club. I can't remember exactly what it is. I listed it on eBay. I'm gonna try and see if I could sell it or not. But basically, I like going into trying to find new categories that are in more abundance in my thrift stores. I would say there's actually a lot of clothing in my thrift stores, which is why I've been trying to get into it. It's not particularly my favorite category to sell, but it's what's actually available around me. So if you guys take a look at my store right now, I currently have $4,382.43 in sales in the past 90 days. So I've sold 132 items. So if you do the math, I'm currently selling about 1.5 items every single day. And I have currently 161 items listed. I actually had a lot more, but I took around 20 to 25 listings down the other day. I cleaned out the storage unit with my girlfriend, Emma. We just needed to get rid of old inventory that's just not selling. There's no point in keeping inventory that doesn't sell if you've had it for over a year, 2 years. If you've already lowered the price significantly, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, I encourage you guys to just get rid of it. And if you sell it for pennies on the dollar, recoup some money back and reinvest it to make more money into your business. On average, typically on eBay, for every 100 listings you have, you sell one item every single day. So if you have 200 items listed on eBay, you sell around 2 items every single day. I'm trying to get to that 200 mark so I can sell about 2 items every single day, but it's hard to keep up with inventory, especially with thrift store prices fluctuating all the time. Some days will be really good. Some days will be really bad. And I don't always have time to go to the bins because of school and work. If you guys made it this far in the video, let me know what you guys use, calculated shipping or free shipping, and let me know down in the comments below. I always use calculated shipping. I tried free shipping at one point. I don't like it. I don't realize any decrease in sales using calculated shipping over free shipping. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and have a good day.